Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Doing good by the grace of Almighty? I have assigned you some work in previous class. I am sure each and everyone will do. And I'm going to check that work on the reopening day. One more thing I just want to say that PDF, we have sent PDF to each and every student. So you can check your answers and from that. So we'll be continuing same what we have learned in the previous class, that is extension, that is what we have learned in the previous class. 11.1 first and second problem we did. So we'll be starting with third problem. Trigonometry exercise 11.1 problem number 3rd. I'll just read the question for you. In a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at B, in which A is equals to 24 units, B is equals to 25 units and angle BSA is equals to theta. What is given? We'll write that first. What is given? We will write that first. Given small a is equals to 24 units and small b is equals to 25 units. This is given. One more thing is also given, that is angle BAC is equals to theta. This is also given. What we have to find? To find cos theta and tan theta. Let's recapitulate what we have learned in previous class. That is sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. It's a small trick to remember the formula. That is old Henry and his old aunt. Just this is very, very important. Small a is equals to 24. What does it mean? I think you know this, small a. First we draw the figure, label it A, B, C. ABC is equals to theta. That means angle A is your theta. Angle A is theta. Small a is equals to 24 units. What does it mean, small a? Small a means the side BC. Small a means side BC. This is your small a and the value is 24. Small b is 25. Small b is 25 means AC is 25. AC, that is this value is 25. Let's recollect. Side opposite to theta, we denote it is by opposite. Adjacent to theta is adjacent and opposite to right angle triangle is hypotenuse. We have to find adjacent side, that is AB. We can find AB by using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse value is how much? 25. 25 square is equals to opposite value is how much? 24 square plus adjacent is what? AB square. I think you people know 25 into 25 is how much? 625. So 625 is equals to 24 into 24 is 576 plus AB square. Transposing, plus when it comes the side of is equal to, it becomes minus. So AB square is equals to 625 minus 576. AB square is equals to, subtract 625 and 576, you will be getting 49. We just want the value of AB, not square. So taking root on both this side, square and root get cancelled. AB is equals to root 49 is 7. We got the value of adjacent as 7. We got the value as 7. What we have to find? We have to find cos theta. What is cos? What is cos? A by H. A is what? 7 by 25. Next, tan theta. How do you find tan theta? That is O by A. Old Henry and his old aunt. Opposite value is 24 and adjacent value is 7. These are very simple problem. Next problem, problem number 4. I'll just read the question for you all. Cos A. Fourth problem, exercise 11.1. If cos A is equals to 12 by 13, what we have to find? To find sin A and cos A. Sin A and cos A. Let's revise again. Sin, cos, tan. Sin A, cos A, tan A. Old Henry and his old aunt. Back, what is given? Cos A is equals to 12 by 13. What is cos formula? A by H. A by H. Now your adjacent is 12. Your adjacent is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. Draw the figure. In trigonometry, figure is very, very important. Without this, you can't do the problem. A, B, C. Cos A. So we are going to consider angle A. Side opposite to angle A is BC. I am going to write this as opposite. And AB is this side adjacent to angle A. So I write it as adjacent A. As you all know, side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. Now put the values. Adjacent is how much? 12. So you are going to put here 12. And hypotenuse is how much? 13. You are going to put here 13. Which formula you are going to use to find opposite? Nothing but Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse is how much? 13. 13 square is equals to opposite is nothing but BC square plus adjacent is 12 square. 13 into 13, simple multiplication. You should be thorough in this perfect square. 13 into 13 is 169 and 12 into 12 is 144. You should be thorough in this perfect square. From 1 to 25, you should learn all the values. So 169 is equals to BC square plus 144. Transposing, when it comes this side of is equal to, it becomes minus. So BC square is equals to 169 minus 144. So BC square is equals to 25. We just want the value of BC, not BC square. So taking root on both the side. Square and root get cancelled. BC is equals to root of 25 is 5. We got the value of BC as 5. We got next problem, that is fifth problem. I'll just read out. If 3 tan A, fifth problem, that is if 3 tan A is equals to 4, then find sin A and cos A. Actually, what is given? What is given? 3 tan A is equals to 4. This is given. 3 tan A means 3 into tan A into transposing, when it comes the set of is equals to, it becomes division. So tan A is equals to 4 by 3. In rough, always you should recollect sine, cos, tan. Sine, cos, tan. Come on, say me the formulas. Old Henry and his old aunt. Figure is again very important. Draw the figure. Tan A is equals to 4 by 3. So tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. That is, opposite value is 4 and adjacent value is 3. Draw the figure. Label it. Name it. Tan A. So we have to consider the angle A. A, B, C. Now tell me, which is your opposite side and adjacent side? Yes, the opposite to this theta is BC. This is your opposite side, and adjacent to angle A is AB. So this is your adjacent side. Side opposite to 90 degrees is always hypotenuse. The values are given. Opposite value is 4 and adjacent value is 3. Now which formula will you apply and solve it? Yes, Pythagoras theorem. What is your Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse, that is AC. Check it up. Hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equals to opposite is BC square and adjacent is AB square. Put the values now. BC is 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is how much? 25. So AC square is 25. We want only AC, not square. So taking root on both the sides, square and root get cancelled. AC is equals to 5. We got the value of hypotenuse as 5. So children, what do you have to find? We have to find sine A and cos A. Hope you all are thorough in formulas by now. Sine is nothing but O by H, old Henry. Cos is nothing but A by H and his. So O value is 4, H value is 5. Adjacent, that is 3 by 5. So boys and girls, I hope the concept is very clear and you will revise these problems again and again. PDF is available. You can check after solving. You can check your answers. I have solved each and every problem in that. So your today's assignment is if tan A is equals to root 3, find sine A cos A. See, if tan A is equals to root 3, so denominator you consider 1, you put the formula, put Pythagoras theorem, solve it and be ready by the next class. Thank you students. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.